Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace front door panel on Chevy Equinox. That's the first generation guys, or if you have a Pontiac Torrent, it will be about the same procedure as well guys. This one is a 2009 model, but it will be the same procedure I think for the whole generation from 05 all the way until late 2009. Stay with us guys, we're gonna go ahead start on it. Many videos on that vehicle on our channel, so feel free to check them out if you need help with something. So what we need to do next with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, right there is a screw that we need to remove. Sometimes there is a cap on those, so all you have to do is just pry it out. Okay, and now we'll need to pull that thing out. Okay, you need to open it. So if you start on this side, it will be a little bit easier. Okay, there is a thing that you need to press in right there. Okay, and after that you need to open the handle and okay, slide it out. Okay, like that. Okay, next we need to get a prying tool and we'll need to remove that center piece right here, that trim. And this one you have to be careful. You need to start it on this side and you will slide towards the back a little bit. It's tricky and you have to be very careful because otherwise you might damage the clips. It's hard just to start it. Once you start it, it goes pretty easy. Okay, so we're gonna start it from the bottom side so that way we don't damage it. Okay, and you need to start pulling this way and then towards the back. Just be careful not to break it. Those tend to break sometimes. Okay, so you have to help it a little bit. Okay, for the clips, do not just pull on the plastic and you need to pull towards the back now. Okay, the piece is out of there now. So next guys, there is two nuts right here, one right here, both are nuts, one there, with a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and remove those now. Sometimes it's hard to pull them out. Screws, that's what they are, not even bolts. Okay, pretty long ones. So just with a 10mm socket. Next with a plastic prying tool, we'll need to remove that cap for the mirror there. And you can actually go ahead and disconnect the wire if you need to. So that's for the speaker, tweeter there, I think it's tweeter. And get it out of the way so it's not hanging on the wires. And now on the bottom there is a place where you can pry it. Okay, you see right there. Okay, screwdriver worked a little bit better, and if you get your fingers or a prying tool under the door panel, okay, you can start pulling. It comes this way really tight, to be honest with you. The clips are very tight. Once we remove it, we'll show you where exactly all the clips are located so you know what to expect guys. Okay, a few there. Okay, now we need to go up just a little bit, okay, and pull it out. Okay, you can see those are the clips right here on top that we have. Okay, so far that's from the back side now. Check it out now. On top we have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Then you have on the side, okay, one we lost on the bottom, so we just slide this one in. Okay, and you can see all of them. That way you know where to apply more pressure. One of them came out, and this one is even pink, which means it was replaced in the past as well with another one. So we're gonna pull it out and install it on the door panel right there that we're missing. Okay, right there now. So that's how you guys remove or replace front door panel on Chevy Equinox Pontiac Torrent. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.